my name is Marika. I'm from Australia. I have come to Rishikesh in September 2019 to join the Mukta Yoga Teacher Training course, and I've just completed my course. This is my congratulatory necklace. I guess I just wanted to say that the course has been incredible. I spent quite a while researching which course to do and take, and there are so many in Rishikesh that it was quite an interesting task. I found Mukta Tantra Yoga and I am so grateful that I have. He has been able to explain and teach a philosophy to me that really resonates with my heart, and I am going to be forever grateful for this experience. If anyone is interested or keen to learn about themselves or get in touch with who they really are, then I highly recommend this yoga. I think it's created an awareness in me that I didn't have before, and I'm going to go home now and really think about my life with a lot more clarity and understanding. So if you're looking for something like that, then I highly recommend Mukta Tantra Yoga. Thank you.